I'm going to be telling you about the Creators Alliance withdrawal process. Now, the first way you can withdraw it is that you can go to the app here and then you can tap that button to withdraw. And when you tap to withdraw, you'll see a screen like this. And when you see a screen like this, just tap on the button to transfer out and then just follow the on-screen prompt to transfer it out to whatever bank you want to transfer it out of. But I have to feel the need to warn you. Creators Alliance right now doesn't exist because Creator Alliance has collapsed. It is a scam. It is a Ponzi scheme here, right? So Thousand has lost investment in a suspected Ponzi scheme. It crashes and it's a scam, right? It's just a victim story. If you try to search up Creators Alliance right now, it won't exist. You won't find their website anywhere. And Creators Alliance has even forged an actual FIA press release here, right? So they forged a FIA press release, and the one I'm showing right now is the actual FIA telling them that the CIA or the FIA has not actually confirmed that the press release there that was released by those scammers are actually real, right? So this is the actual FIA statement. They say the Financial Intelligence Authority is aware of the following post which has been circulating on various social media platforms this week. And the post is, good day all, after FIA had a meeting with among themselves, it was established that Creators Alliance is not in breach of any financial laws in St. Lucia. This is fake, right? The FIA states categorically that the allegations contained in the post are completely false. So Creatives Alliance has forged their own FIA posts and is circulated around. That is a major red flag. If you still have the app, you can still try to actually do the withdrawal process, right? If you still have the app. So the method is the one I showed you earlier, but I heavily advise you to not continue down this path once you have withdrawn any money and try to minimize your losses.